Yo! Good morning. I have returned. Let's go. Oh, 80 days, chat. 80 days. Goodness. Not much time. Hello chat, hello Golden Apples, hello Capushman, hello Billy Kippy, hello Botrix chat, it's actually a bot. Hello Rooster King, hello Mario, good morning, good morning, good morning, Moodle Guy, hello. How you guys doing today? You doing good? Good day, Arcane TD. Yee.
Hello, Cakez.
I don't want to be like Cakez.
Excuse me. Pin wish list? True. Pin wish list. Today, chat, we will do the same thing as yesterday. 20 YouTube emails, a minimum. Fix a bug in the game, or two. And we will finally complete the script for the first shot. I still don't have the YouTube, so the Steam capsule. I know it might be retarded, but I want the game Steam page to be in the videos, and I don't want to re-record the same part every time. So I'll end my shorts always the same way. By the way, wishlisted on Steam now, or something like this. And so when I do that and say that and record that, I want to show the game Steam page in the shorts and zoom into the wishlist button. Like, you know, like the Mega Bonk dev did, right? And to not have to do that every time, the Steam wishlist, the Steam page needs to be done. For that, I need the capsule, which I don't have yet. The guy's still not done, unfortunately. I hope he's done today. He did the title. And yeah. Oh, that looks good, man. This is what Mario has been cooking up. Looking very nice. But bro, the goblins, there was a mistake on my part. The goblins are actually this color. It's just a color replace, right? But it's a mistake on my part. They are this color. Add pin, yeah, you're right. I totally got derailed here. Let's do YouTube first. W game, any ideas for the next game? Yeah, but I'm not gonna share that yet. We'll do that when the next game comes out. But essentially what I'm... Holy shit. Hello, Jonathan Smith. How you doing, man? Good morning. What I'm gonna do is, after I release the game, whether it be successful or not, I need like 1 to 2 weeks, like completely off. Like, completely no responsibilities, nothing. And I think I will be able with the... Like, in the worst case scenario, at least I will be able to pay my next rent with the game's money so that I could find a job if it's like the worst of the worst cases, right? If nothing works out, none of the other things that could potentially work out don't work out. I think I should be able to get at least $1,000 with my game, bare minimum. Which would allow me, that would not allow me, but let's say 1,500. That would allow me to pay at least the rent and then look for a job or whatever. But I would still, in that case, I would still take like a 2-week break to have no responsibility and just get down and, you know, take everything in and accept whatever happened and something like that. But I will do that in any case. Like, if the game's successful, I will do that. But not right away. Like, I will update the game for like a week, a couple of days as well. And then we'll see when I can take a break. I will take a break just to recharge and relax. And in that time, I will probably play around a little bit with Raylib and other things, you know, inform myself a bit so that I'm not a complete retard when I come back and we can make a smart decision. I could tell you guys what I learned, but maybe I don't do anything and just play games. I don't know. We'll see. That's the idea. I'm doing terrible because the plugin I just bought yesterday broke all my UI in my project, and disabling it magically fixes it. I felt like I got ripped off. What are you doing, Golden Apples? That sounds crazy. Is that like... You're making a game, or what are you working on? Is it like some browser, web browser stuff? Holy shit, that's crazy. In any case, really good image, Mr. Mario. Looks very good. Yeah, let me pin the messages. Sorry, I need to pin. Yeah, YouTube, Twitch message. Copy. Did I pin Twitch live in YouTube? I can't see. I don't know. I need to do it again. Sorry. Just play games for 2 weeks and call it research. Replace pinned message. So YouTube is nice. Then we do Twitch. Do that /pin.
Hello.
Yo, Mr. Fuchs TV on YouTube. How you doing, bruh? Can't wait to buy this game. I like Bloons TD very much. I hope I live up to your expectation, bro. So yeah, let's start with coding, right? I love coding. It's the easiest part. So that we also make some progress. I'm not going to do this on stream, by the way. The leaderboard protection. Some stuff has been written here. I don't want you guys to know how I protect against cheaters. So that will be done off stream. I'm going to revisit the keybinds to see if they are set up correctly. 1 to 5 should be tangies, and Q should be AoE heal. Let me see. It's not beer, no. This is Dr. Pepper. I do not drink beer. Especially at this hour. Holy shit, no. That's a fine way to go into alcoholism, bruh. No. Don't do that, guys. That's not good. Okay, so 1 is this, and 2 is this. I feel like I want to do 1 and have the defender on my hand and click. That's what I want. 0 alcohol beer? No, not even that, because in my opinion, drinking any form of beer during the day just it plays with your mind. Because beer is beer, even if it has no alcohol. That's how I see it. Do we have a capsule? Not yet, unfortunately. The guy is still working on it. Yeah, still working on it. Almost spilled out into a drink. Cakez cheater protection if player Rico and player collector cheater true. Yeah, okay. Yeah, anyways. Let's push, guys. Let's push. I need to push myself to these last couple of days, if I'm being completely honest. Do you guys have the same thing? Like, I know not many in chat have actually released a game, especially solo, right? Those of you who have, maybe there are some, or maybe 1 or 2. Like, is it always like that? You get just completely, your motivation is down and you don't really want to work on the game. It's like you have to push yourself every day. You did? Yeah, you did release a game, yeah, Chaco? What game did you make? It's the fear of failure mainly? Yeah, it's like, what good is working on it do anyways? It's gonna fail anyways. That's how I see it. Yeah, that's how I feel. It gets worse if you keep delaying, but there is like, I don't delay it because I want to delay it. I delay it because not delaying it would be a mistake, my friend. Okay, if the capsule artist takes an additional 2 weeks, it's not like I'm like, hey, I'm gonna release right when he gives me the capsule. That would be retarded. I can't just, that's not up to me, my friend. If you keep delaying it, Cakez, that's your fault, you idiot! These keyboard warriors making me mad. I made one and it failed, lol. You have more wishlist than I had when I launched Cakez. Yeah, but how many of those wishlists are very old? The game has been on Steam for 3 years. It's okay, buddy. Hi, man. I watched for a few of your live streams over the past month. What lips are you using? Real lip or something like that? No lips. Just STB image for PNG loading and free type for true type font file loading. You should have the capsule ready. Shut the fuck up. Yeah, 3 years ago the game looked like that, brother. 3 years ago I drew it myself. You wanna see how that looked? But then I start, okay? It's time to not get distracted anymore. Itch. That's how my capsule looked 3 years ago, okay? There we go. I drew that myself. My first ever drawing. Ever. Those green things are enemies. That's what the game looked like 3 years ago. Anyways, whatever. Let's move on. There's another guy trying to copy Vedinat. How many? Oh, 900 likes this guy has. How many views in this now? Doing good, yeah. Doing very good. He's been, oh yeah, he's been spamming. He's been spamming a lot. Hey, yeah. Actually like the look. Guys, after this game, I will learn how to professionally draw capsule arts myself. I'm not arrogant, okay? When I say this. I say this with the utmost of, most humble. I have learned a lot about art in the last 3 years. And I think with time and effort, I can learn to make my own capsule art. Maybe not to the same level as the high quality ones, but I can probably reach a level that you could call acceptable. Okay, I'm saying that in a humble way. It's not another 3 years, no. I think it's just making consistent capsules. Ugh. Anyways.
Commit and push immediately.
What was it to do?
And then go
Keybinds. Okay. Keybinds. No. Yeah, no. Key. Mappings.
Am I so out of touch?
Sorry, man. Holy.
Strutto Hand 69 just subscribed. Sexy Cakez.
Oh man, thank you for subscribing. Action tree doesn't exist anymore. We could get rid of it. No, need to
Fuck Cakez,
restart
fuck
it.
Cakez, fuck Cakez, fuck Cakez.
Action cancel, escape start, AoE here, that would be Q. And E. Or 5 and 6. Or 4 and 5. Or yeah, Q and E. In Kingdom Rush, it's 1 and 2 though. Let's just test this. The awesome part... Oh, action tree actually exists. Where's action tree? Input.h. Eh? Wait, what? Oh, I see the default options. Key mappings. What the hell? Eh? What did I do here then? This is in main. Huh? Wait, so it's hard-coded here and there? So what is it then? What do we have? Primary is left mouse, right mouse, and then pickup. I don't have an action pickup yet. I don't use it. The defender is key 1, 2, 3, 4. AoE here would be Q. How would you put the... Like, we can talk about that in a second, right? Let me just fix this. Reroll shop is key R. Key tab is shop. Key T is start round. I suppose. Key W, ISD. Okay, so here are the actual key mappings. These are gone. We don't want them anymore. Good. Now, hero orange tree, action tree. Game CPP. Defender, ranger, healer. And then input.h. I think now we have everything set up. Which part of the development cycle do you find the most interesting fun? The coding! What I'm doing right now! I love the coding, my friend! Whoa! Brrr. Coding something insanely cool? Like the... Yes. Oh. I also like drawing, but I usually like drawing off stream. Like when I'm relaxing. You know, maybe I'm watching, I don't know, some show or some YouTube video and I'm just drawing something. Ah, oh, it's nice. Very relaxing. Why is not the release date set yet? Capsule art missing. Looking for capsule art. Still work in progress. I need it to set the release date. I don't know if Steam changes something when I set the release date. So to make sure that if there's any hidden algorithm change after you set a release date from Steam, or if someone finds the Steam page after I'm setting up YouTube Shorts and they see maybe a suboptimal capsule art there, I want to maximize and make sure he's on the logo at the moment. What is capsule art? Give me just 1 second! Okay. Capsule art is the image on Steam for your game. It's this image right here that appears everywhere. The problem I have with my logo is that it repeats the colors with oranges. And yeah, it's somewhat low quality because I drew it in pixel art. Even this one here It's a different logo. It's maybe a bit better, but it's still low quality compared. Hey Cakes, I'm glad I catched your stream. Hello there, my man. Good morning. Oh yeah, by the way, guys, thank you very much still for joining on Kick. I appreciate it very much. Those of you who do help me out a lot. You know, I get free money when you watch there. Very nice of you. Good game, bro. Good luck. Thank you. So I'm stucking the hero to the mouse, but when I click down, it's not placing the hero, but it's placing it on mouse up. That's a bit odd, I feel. So I click 2, then I click the mouse down. Nothing happens, only on mouse up. I feel like when I click 4, when I click a hero, they should place on mouse down, should they not? It's a tiny change, but a bit annoying. Or I ignore it for now and say that these are the keybinds. Why does mouse down not do anything? That's the question. Oh wait, I think I know why. Because there's a minimum time. There's a protection that I do. Let me find this. Wait, huh? New hero list. Selecting units with left click. Select units with hotkeys. Hero stuck to the mouse. Here. Make sure only the defender, blah, blah, blah. Natural deselect. If we click the primary button, wait, if it's hot. Yeah, if we click the secondary button, moving the hero back, yeah. So deselect is fine, that works properly. Animation when selected. Background cost. Oh, so it's here. Draw hero in the indicator. So we are selecting and it's stuck to the mouse. Hero stuck to the mouse, time. Maybe that's the issue. No, it's been stuck to the mouse for 80 seconds. That's not the issue. So this timer is what I was talking about. Guts are cool. Thank you very much for following. Can't wait to play this on my Steam Deck, man. I hope it works well on the Steam Deck. It does work, but I think the keybinds are a bit off. It did pass Steam review, yeah. Why does it not allow me to place it? Display the range of healers in orange trees to better visualize, yeah. Just release the primary button. Hero stuck to the mouse and it can be placed and we are releasing it, I see. I'm placing heroes on release? Really? I'm placing heroes on release. I see. So, I mean, I'm walking and then I have to do... Yeah, it's a bit annoying. Let's see. Let's give myself some money. I'm walking here. I'm like, oh, I need a defender here. I need to click like twice. That's annoying. I think it's more the issue that this timer needs to be set to 0.3 immediately. So I'm going to set a const float. Like the reason why placing it immediately is not possible because of this timer. But I think what I can do is const float minimum min stuck to mouse time. Set that to 0.3f. Then we do, okay, it needs to be greater than this minimum time. And then we set this here so high up that when we get to the actions, well, actually, I'll just set that here. And then when I select a hero with hotkeys, I set the hero stuck to mouse time is minimum stuck to mouse time. Let's see if that works. Okay. It's like, it could work both ways, guys. But the thing is that, let's say, let's just assume, right? I put all my duties here. And the enemies manage to get past here. I'm running, and I want to make sure that I place a unit immediately when I'm running. Right? Like immediately. I'm like, oh, shit. That's what I want to be able to do. And yeah, that works much better. Cool. Linux is better. Okay, guys, we got it. Revisit the keybinds. So Q and E are now AoE heal and exploranges. And I think I already have the sprites for that. I just didn't do the code at that time. Yeah, I have Q and E. Cool. Let me find those. Here we go. That is 16 pixels. 176 plus 16. I'm not gonna do math today. 192. And 192 plus 16. 208. How many levels does the game have? Right now it has 8, but I will most likely, if I have time, add another level. Where you fight wolves and a werewolf as a boss. So, maybe 9. And if I have a lot more time, which I doubt, I might do another level. But that would just be, probably just be like a normal level or something. Do they need to review the patches too? How does that work? I don't think they review the patches because the base game has already been reviewed. Moment, thank you very much for 10 Hong Kong dollars. How useful do I find Vim shortcuts in VS Code? I love them apart from searching. Searching sucks. Disable searching. The slash search function is retarded. I hate it. It makes me mad. QE. Alright, guys. Now it should show up with Q and E. Nice.
Am I so out of touch?
It's a bit far down, to be honest.
Shrupter just subscribed.
Yo,
3.
my man. Mr. Shrupter, fucking almost 40 months. Holy cow. How you doing, man? Thank you very much for subscribing. Hope you're doing good, bro. Yeah, this guy has been here since the very, 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 very beginning. Does it have an endless mode? Yep. I think it works. Explorange is E. AoE heal on Q. I think that's nice. And then boom. Good. I would say done. How long did that take? 15 minutes. I want to do something cool now. I want to give the defender the same keystone as the... Much better, yeah. As the ranger. The lone ranger, the lone defender. Then we have done 2 to-dos on the needed bugs and coding session. And then we will quickly, hopefully, gather 20 emails from YouTube. That means we have gained 40 emails in 2 days. Oh, Tobias, thank you very much for gifting a sub to... Oh, 5 subs. Holy shit. Appreciate that, man. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, my man. On YouTube. Appreciate it. Let me finish this. And I really want to... It's gonna be cringe today, guys. I really want to record... First write and then record this part today. I'm going to do this one time. Only. Because I think it's cringe to record a YouTube video on stream. Because it's like, in my opinion, a stream is an interactive medium where I talk directly to you guys and I don't really pretend that you don't exist and have some imaginary YouTube audience that I'm making a video to. I think that's just cringe. But I'm gonna do this one time to showcase the entire process of how I will make shorts for my game, to market the game. And the reason why I'm doing that is so that you guys may be able to learn something, pick something up from this, and make stuff yourself when you release your game. And maybe you don't have a marketing budget, but you have to do everything yourself. It's all about, that's the reason why I'm streaming it. It's all about showing the process. So it's gonna be cringe later today, guys. Yeah, it is how it is, okay? Lone defender. This right here, the bold, indicates that this unit is alone. And I feel like... What do you guys think? Should I not only draw this, but also a small little circle around the unit? Because you're mostly looking at the unit here. And I noticed that this one here is not that visible. Hello, I love playing Minecraft. That's amazing.
Cakez is a big clown.
Shut up, bitch. Dude, you're giving marketing secrets, which is really cool. To be honest, I think you can find these yourself by browsing Reddit every once in a while. But yeah, I mean, it's definitely like no one really shows the entire process, right? Because how would you do that? Let's see, is a Lone Ranger. Here it is. I just found it actually. I think it's here. Yeah, so just drawing this might not be enough. Let's draw a sprite on the position. Size would be a vector 2 of, let's say, 24 pixels. I don't want to make it too large. Then we need a material color, which we'll have to set up ourselves, but I think I remember the color being 15. 15. Might be the wrong color though. Oh wait, orange was... I really need to change these to orange. And then light, dark, and darker.
Am I so out of touch?
It's really annoying.
No.
The guarded
How much
text
is
just
this?
subscribed.
I think it
Bathroom
was
count, please.
6. Shut up! I'll ban you, even if you sub. No! I'm not telling. Same as this Klaus Greiner that kept asking me weird ass questions. Okay? No weird stuff here. I appreciate it though. Thanks for the money. I'm not telling you how many times I went to the bathroom. Nix and Goat, thank you guys for following. I appreciate it. No. Get out of here. I'm a bathroom door. Ah, okay, bro. Uh-huh. Render circle. Transparent. All right, guys, let's see. So now it will draw. Well, it will draw nothing yet because it's still holding it. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Obviously, that's too bright, huh? I would like it to be orange. So I think orange is 8. What is wrong with you guys? I'm not answering your questions, okay? Go away. Leave me alone. No. Huh? Is it 08? Okay, so this is orange as far as I remember. Yes, I like it. Nice. And now obviously the size here, that needs to be an ellipse. Because like it's a circle that's flat, but I actually have like this top-down view, which everything turns into an ellipse. So, highlight ellipse is get ellipse from entity.position and the radius. I think 24 was nice. Highlight ellipse. Highlight ellipse. Good, and then const vec for color is this. And then we change the colors alpha.
Hello.
Well, then that can't be const, of course. 0.4. And then I might just define this. That's fine though. There we go. Seeing Cakez C++ code makes me want to try it. He has a clean way of using it. Most C++ code I see hurts my eyes with all kinds of pointer debugs. Thank you, man. Huh? Are you complaining? Oh, I see. Highlight ellipse.size. And then obviously we also need to have a layer. In that simple is calculate layer attack range. Attack circle, that's like the layer for the circles, and it would just be the entity the position.y. There you go. Would be cool if a unit had a sad state when it was alone, but what would the sad state do? Okay, 0.4 alpha. Let me try additive. Let's see how that looks. Layer of circle. Yeah, there's like the background layer. That's the tile set. Then we have the attack range circle. That is the... I mean, it definitely looks much better now. Right? I could also add particles, but I think this is good for now. Then we have the layer of the circles, which is a layer above the background. Then the next layer is the layer for the game. Everything's sorted in that layer. Then after that, we have the layer of the effects. This is for particles that draws there. And so some of these particles are drawn on top, but some other particles are actually drawn in the layer of the game. So they appear sometimes behind or in front trees. Additive blending sucks. We'll do transparent, but we do an alpha of 0.5 or 6. And I think we are good now. Move on to the next we need to actually do something. Good. So maybe make it a bit brighter. Let's keep it like that for now. It's fine. What happens if the next game doesn't do good too? You're gonna quit the game dev? I can't see that far into the future, mate. I don't know. I don't know about your game story. Just since you made a circle for units alone, I thought a sad animation would make it more visible. But he's not supposed to be sad. He gets more damage. A lone ranger is happy because he's alone. Like, you ever heard about those? Lone ranger buff is lone ranger. Here, we do the same thing. Is lone defender. I'm just gonna copy the entire code. It's fine. So if the hero is not a defender, then obviously it's not a lone defender. Then we need to look at the skill tree cache, look at the keystone, and here we have keystone, lone defender, and this time we are not using that, but the keystone is called the wall or build a wall. I don't know. One of the two. Let me check. The wall, I think. Yeah. So all defenders can block an additional enemy but deal 20% less damage. This one, defenders placed alone can block 2 additional enemies. Keystone, lone defender. Here we go. Keystone, lone defender. So the radius here is the same. The only problem is that if I change this radius from 70 to 80, then it's not affecting this radius, which means I need to delete both of those, turn that into a game constant, and then decide whether it should be 70 or 80. I don't know yet. Here, game constants. Const float loner range. It was 70 before, but I feel like I want to do 80. Loner range. Let's do that. Okay, now if anyone is in there, it returns false. So that should all be it already. All we gotta do is change this keystone to lone defender. And then sprite keystone, build a wall. I think that's fine. I just want to change the name of the sprite to lone defender. That's fine. And then over here, the name should be lone defender. And yeah, both of those should have lone defender. It wasn't a lone debuff, my bad. Yeah, it's a buff though. It's a buff, yeah. Okay, lone defender. Guys, what should a, like, lone ranger makes sense. But for a defender, a knight, let's say, I'll show you. I don't think lone defender makes much sense. I'm thinking more in terms of a heroic name. Like, he's like a, I don't know, bastion of hope. I don't know what it's called, guys. Like, last stand or whatever. Like, what would you call this? When, like, there's this heroic, okay, no. Like, see, like, he's a knight, he's alone, he's, like, defending. Like, and he gets, like, a power up from it. What would you call that, guys? Hello there, 666-420. And thank you very much for following. King of the Hill, Bastion of Hope. I'm just gonna call it Bastion of Hope. Sole Survivor, last man up, last man standing. Or last man standing. Chuck Norris, yeah, okay. Last man standing. Wait, build a wall. Bastion of Hope, let's see. Defenders. Last Guardian. Chinese Wall, Markus Krühl. Last Tank standing. Last Tangy standing. I think I'll call it
Am I
Bastion
so
of
out
Hope.
of touch? No.
Jesus
Sturdy
Christ, one man
post,
army.
just subscribe,
The Sentinel.
brother. I'm more loyal than your wife. Where's my gratitude, bitch?
Shut up, bitch. Appreciate it. But you're not, man. My wife's been through this with me for the last 4 years, man. Lone Wolf? No, Lone Wolf would be something for a Ranger. We are talking about a Giga Chat Defender that is standing here, okay? Giga Tangy, fail safe, last Guardian.
I drank a potion, actually. I drank a fucking... I fucking drank a potion!
What should I do? Chinese Wall. Hello there, Fernando on Kick. Hope you're doing good. Excuse me.
What is Run Drive doing?
Wavebreaker. Maybe I just call him the Wall.
Oh my god. It's off.
Or Bastion of Hope. Last Stance. Last Stance? It's not Stance, right? Is it Stance? Last Stance? Like the last line of defense. Lone Sentinel. Last Stand. Last Stand. Last Stand, yeah. Defenders placed alone can block 2 additional enemies. Block 2 additional enemies. Additional is used commonly in games. Now, the thing is... Last Stand sounds really standard. Yeah, that's good. Let me go to the skill tree. I think I changed the wrong one, did I? Yeah, I did. Fuck. But the wall and... like Keystone the Wall, I'm just gonna delete. I was supposed to change this. And I changed the Keystone Builder Wall, right? Which makes no sense either. Yeah, build a wall and the wall are both the same. So basically I'm going to take this, keystone, the wall. And I'm just gonna change it. Like I go here and do, okay, so the keystone that I want is this. Save. Last stand. Defenders placed alone can block 2 additional enemies. Nice. Let's see if that makes sense. Now, I need an icon for this. And I need to change the defenders. Oh, I had a typo. Thank you. Thank you, my man! Appreciate it. Okay, now, Lone Ranger in the game is Lone Ranger. So, where do we get that? Draw entity. If it is, I'm asking if it is a Lone Ranger. Okay, so we are looking for a specific keystone. When I draw a unit, I feel like I should just apply a component when I spawn the unit. Because what I do here is essentially, I'm going over the entire skill tree cache. Oh, it's just a couple of keystones in there. It's just 4 keystones, that's fine. Yeah, no, then that makes sense. Which means all we do, really, here... Wait. What is this? This is called apply skill tree. Aha! Let's get rid of this else. Okay, all we need to do here is make a special else if. Oops. Sorry, that was me. I fat fingered. Is a lone defender. And then the hero stats, stat, block count, base, plus equals. I'm setting it here, that's kind of bad. I could have... I should just do plus equals 0.2 plus 20% damage, because I can have other changes to the more multiplier. And for here, it needs to be plus equals 2 blocks. Plus 2 blocks. Okay, so that's the first. Is lone. God, I love this search thing. Lone Ranger buff. Lone Ranger buff. Ah yeah, Lone Ranger buff when placing. Wait. This one should be a function. It should be a function. Let me turn that into a function. Const. It's not a const. It needs to be an entire function. Oh. Let me think. Let's first make a lambda function. Put all of that in here. Because I need to draw it in 2 places, and then we draw lone ranger buff. And we need to supply an entity. Const entity reference entity. We go. Then we supply the entity here. That works. But we need to put this somewhere else. Let's see. Is alone. Here. Here I draw that too. And here too. I draw it in 26,000 and I draw it in 49,000 line of code. So I should probably draw that here. And then it's not a const auto anymore, but it's a static void function. And then we just draw Lone Ranger. Buff on the hero data. Okay, that would fix this one. I'm using Vimotions, yeah. It's been so much better on my wrists. I have had 0 wrist pains ever since I started using Vimotions. And I would argue that I had some days where I would change a lot of code. Like I literally had days where I had up to, I think one of my craziest days was 4,000 deletions and 4,000 insertions in a day. Because obviously I didn't write 4,000 lines, but I did change or touch 4,000 different places in the code, which yeah, on some like that was the craziest I've ever seen, and no wrist pains ever since then. Like ever since I used Vim Motions, and that was past changing to Vim Motions. So yeah. Excuse me. You can use auto on enum return types. Yeah, but why? Why would I do auto here when I know it's void? I feel like that's dumb. Like the reason why C++ is so good is because you need to be type specific. Like it goes entirely against. The only reason why I'm using auto for these is because I don't know what stupid type that is. So I just say auto because I don't know what type it is. And I am too lazy to find out. But for any other function, I always use what it is. Okay, so it's Lone Ranger. Draw Lone Ranger buff. We need a draw Lone Ranger. Wait a minute. We need a draw lone defender. Okay, I will just do the same for now to see if the actual thing works. So let's see. Is Lone Ranger. So I need this to be here. So if we're Lone Defender. And we could say else if, right? That's fine. And then we draw a Lone Defender buff for the entity. I think here. If it's a Lone Defender, draw Lone Defender buff. Hero data. Lone Ranger and Defender buffs when placing. So this is basically, I'm drawing these buffs when I'm placing a unit to indicate to the player that, oh, you have a Lone Ranger or a Lone Defender now. And apparently... Oh, I see. I don't have it anymore. Let me get that back to see if I... Did I destroy my game or does it work? Does seem to work. No longer appears because I'm too close. And the minimum range is... this range. I can't even place a healer. Or actually, I can place a healer, but barely. See, that's what I want. I can place a healer. I have a little bit of margin. It's still... Wait, shouldn't that affect? Wait, shouldn't that affect... Shouldn't me placing a healer affect the buff while placing? Yeah. Here. Maybe hero stuck on mouse center is not... Wait, let's get rid of this. This never happens. Why? So what is this function here? Hero stuck on... Is it not set? It's not set. Okay. That's why. I need to change that real quick. Lambdas have anonymous types. You can only use auto with them, but... Or put them on the heap with an STD function. You can... Wait. Wait, are you for real? I didn't know that. So wait. That's... I didn't know. I learned something new then. Goodness. So this is a lambda function. They are lying? No, guys. I'm not talking about the types. I know that you can type them. I'm talking about the heap and the stack here. A C++ lambda function is a struct. And a struct, by default, when you define it inside a function, is on the stack. Correct? You can type them. You can also evaluate them at const expression. STD functions. What is the default behavior of the STD function? If I do STD function... I don't know how you type that, right? Maybe something like this. And then, I don't know. Maybe like that, right? I don't know how you type it. But if I do this, is the default behavior a heap allocation? Or a... The most standard example of STD function, is it heap or stack? That's my question. Good morning, Sephon. How you doing? I'm not talking about lambda. I'm talking about STD function. Stack allocation. Even with the capture. Okay, well then it's fine. Then it's okay. I was about to get mad, but then STD function is good again. Okay. That's fine. Totally okay. I hate this song. All C++ lambdas heap allocate. The return is just a wrapper on the heap allocation. No, this is not a heap allocation. This function right here is a stack allocation. Guys, is this a stack or heap allocation? Okay. Depends on the size. Yeah, I mean, if you copy a giant struct in there, I guess. This is stack, yeah. So I always do this. Everywhere. I have multiple of those. So it's all stack. And that's what I want. The only downside is that I do have to, like, it has to be allocated every frame, but it doesn't do anything to performance at the moment. I'm not gonna ask AI. I don't think AI knows the answer properly. Because there's so many different variants. Maybe it does. Maybe I'm stupid, but I'm not gonna ask AI! No. SPO will stack. It depends on your capture size. Okay. Yeah, but if you only capture references, then it will most likely always be a stack allocation. I'm pretty sure. I don't think the amount of code will change it from stack to heap if you have a very long lambda function. I don't know what's going on, but I don't like lambda functions. Why don't you like them? It's more for me issue. I did not like lambda functions for the longest time, but I think that's just retarded and I changed my mind on it. Because lambda functions are basically... I like them because they allow you to create accessibility by scope so that only the modals can actually access those functions here. and nothing else in the program can. And it's code that would need to be repeated 2 or 3 times in the code, all neatly packaged on top here. Whereas if I turn that into a global function, I might have to wrap this around a class or inside a class so that not everyone can access this. And so I'm basically foregoing the class definition there. But yeah. Anyways, let's continue because I'm running out of time. It's already an hour. Lone Defender and Hero Stuck to Mouse is Lone Ranger. So Hero Stuck to Mouse, then new list. Let's do hero list. New hero list. So am I never changing Hero Stuck to Mouse center? Also, why center? It should be the position. Hä? Hä? No. Mark A and then F4. Hero on mouse center. Point in ellipse. Wait. I'm asking if the other position of the hero is inside my area, and the area is defined as the ellipse from the hero's position. So now I need the hero on mouse position. So that would be F2. Hero on mouse position. There we go. And then we switch to A, and we do. And that is, where was that? I'm pretty sure it's in level state, right? Level state, hero on mouse position. It's not, is it game state? Terrible, it should be in level state. Huh? Are you stupid? Bruh. Excuse me. Static float, hero stuck to mouse. Okay. I don't have access to this here. I do not have access to this. So we need this to be in the level state. Still on the grind? Yeah, I decided to... Basically what I do at the moment is I work on 1 to 2 things in the game for, let's say, about an hour. I'm a little bit overboard, but I also had like an intro talking to chat a little bit. And after I'm done with that, I'm gonna switch to gathering emails to send out to YouTubers. And after I'm done with that, today I will be making or recording, or like I'll be writing a script and then recording the voiceover for the script today on stream for the first short. to do marketing. And if we have some time left over, we can plan out the first well, nice. Excuse me, sorry. I was just talking to the Capsulite guy. Okay, anyway, so yeah. See guys, I kinda had to push myself to start today. But I did start with coding with like some easy task. And we are now almost done with the second task for today. Basically the second to do on the list. Which is Defender alone can block 2 additional units. Which is a skill tree upgrade. And yeah, I need to say, seeing check marks happening, appearing, it gives me motivation, you know. Motivation is the cause of action, chat. Motivation does not happen by watching YouTube videos. It's the cause of action. Gotta do tiny things each day. 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Poof, motivated. I had to force myself today. Remember, chat. I did not want to do something. Vector 2. Hero on mouse position. We need that. The point is in the ellipse, yeah. Do you need a game UI artist or any other role that needs to be filled? I would love to help. I actually had and I'm just gonna name him. I don't know if he's here today. I saw your message request. Toby, if you're here today, I saw your message request. I don't know. And same for you, my friend. Do you need a game UI artist? I don't know. I first need to finish this game. And then we'll see how I do the next game. I would love to scale up in the future, but first I need to take it step by step. Like I can't say that right now. And also, like, I've not even tested how I am compatible, if I am compatible with others, working on games with others. So yeah, I don't know. But thank you very much for the offer, Mr. Petite Coke. Yeah. Right. Guys. You know, sometimes when you are bucking in English, you're the cheeks. Inside the cheeks like this here. Like you accidentally, like with your teeth like to the side here. How long does that take to go away? Oh. Nice. That's exactly what I wanted. Perfect. So you can see here that while placing, it'll show me if they are Lone Rangers or not. And I increased the range a little bit. And let's test that with defenders. Oh, look at that. Does he get the blocks? No. He does not. The blocks do not get changed. Why? It definitely does go... Oh! Should be lone defender keystone, right? Oh, now it does. Wow, he blocks 4 units now. Holy cow. Guys, it works. Now we just need to display that in a different way. The way I display the Lone Ranger is just a glowing bow. I don't even know. It's like this bow right here. And for the keystone, I would love to sort them together. Yeah, here it's this one. But I think I can just take this shield and try to make that a bit smaller, but keep the aesthetics. Or we could do this. It's also neatly done shield. Thanks, man. I really want to see where this project goes, because it looks like a really fun game. You know Bloons? Yeah, it's inspired by Bloons from the very beginning. Is that the same? Hate that. Wrong layer. Cakez, the exclusive thing with having a team is speed. You can launch several games over the years instead of one. Just gotta let it go. Yeah, it's fine. I don't mind having an artist. Or someone that does other things. Like, if I'm being completely honest, I wouldn't mind having an artist. Like, I don't know. I provide a sketch. We talk about a sketch. And he makes the animation. And I just code in the stuff. I don't mind at all. I just need to see how this game performs first. Right? It's one step at a time. And then I need to test if I'm compatible with some people. Like, for example, to give you a very simple example, what can happen? I'm not saying it will, but what can happen? We want to add a new enemy, but we can't decide on the design, and we spend 10 million years arguing. That means we are not compatible because we don't have the same vision and we can't get to a working thing together. That just means, okay, we better work with someone else, right? That's just the way it is. Some people are compatible with you, some others are not, right? And the way you usually do that is you make a very small project together and see if you can work together, right? That's what you do. And so I would have to think about how to set that up first, but my mind is not on that at the moment. My mind is on the game! Okay? Guys, I hate this atlas. But yeah, I would love to work with someone. I said that in the past already. Oops. Being able to, let's say, focus on one thing. So, for example, I would love to not have to make Reddit posts. I just hate Reddit posts. I'm just not a good Reddit poster. This is an old shield, by the way. Nah, that looks bad. I think the form doesn't work. I like that more. Let's get basic shading done first. I think I like it. Weirdo, get out, who's? Bro, Hydro, you're the weirdo. You scream a lot, so unsubscribed. I see. Hey Pookie, I'm about to sleep to your voice. Oh my man, thank you very much for 10 Hong Kong dollars. I appreciate that, bro. It's another Hong Kong dollars guy. Interesting. Thank you, man. Cakez hates us. I don't hate you. I don't hate anyone, guys. I don't. Oops. Not sure where you get that from. That might be a bit much. That might be a bit much. Is the capsular drama solved? The capsular is not done. Okay, I'm talking to the capsule art guy. Sorry about that. Question: what are some things you would wish you'd have done differently in terms of production? Not make an entire engine in C++. Should have done that. Should not have done that. Guys, I'm turning into real pixel art again. I should stop. Okay, this is fine. Let's use that. Okay, nice. We have the shield.
Should not be so loud.
I'm gonna make it blink. I feel like it's too big though. Shit. I feel like I'm just making these way too big. Maybe that's a good size. I dodged again! I fucking dodged! Tell me, this is bugged! That does not look good.
What the fuck?
Anything. Here's a problem.
Because more than one means...
Guys, do I have to disable this? Do I have to turn this into bits? So you guys stop doing that. Almost every single day you ruin it with this. I feel like I have to turn this into bits. So you guys at least give me money. I work hard for my points. It's loud, obnoxious, and I'm not getting anything out of it. I'll turn this into bits, guys. Have fun while it lasts, okay? It'll be gone soon. Yeah, 3 points shouldn't be this disturbing, yeah. Just put a time limit on it. Turn that off. How many do we have left? Yeah, I'm gonna pause now. And I'm gonna put a time limit on it. And I'll make that with bits soon. Wrong Cakes, you get viewer engagement. No, I actually turn away viewers. It's the same thing with free TTS. You guys think it is good for viewers, but it's not. Most people hate it. You guys think that's what it is, but I have experienced this for 2 years. I know what I'm talking about. Oh man, do I have a mod here that knows how to set this stuff up? Review recent raids, review requests, review unban requests. Oh god. Viewer rewards, power ups and channel points. Manage power up points. There we go. I'm gonna set this, wait, I'll keep it at 250, but I'm gonna make it a timeout at least. Cooldown. I don't know, let's say a minute. Yeah, no one's using those. It's just those two that get spammed. Now guys, the reason why is simple. Yesterday, Athano made TTS. I didn't hear it because I paused notifications because I got spammed with Sage. And it is really hard for me to speak sometimes because of it. And at the same time, people are sometimes expecting an answer from me, which they don't get because I'm being overthrown with this. Same with the channel point reward for the random clip. That is also... also needs a cooldown at least. I don't like the cooldown here. I'm just gonna make it a bit more expensive. And yeah, I'll probably just turn that into bits later. No, guys, it's been the reoccurring theme the last couple of streams. And it's been very, very, very annoying. We're gonna listen to the rest of them. And then we'll move on. All right, good. Inflammation now reaches saddle points. Yeah, that's true. All right, let's see. Is a Lone Ranger. Is Lone Ranger, and then draw Lone Ranger buff. There we go. So, sprite icon, Lone Ranger, sprite icon, Lone Defender. See, like, just wasted about 10 minutes on this when I could have done something else, guys. I need to finish the game. 992 and 416. It wasn't 10 minutes though. Maybe it wasn't. Okay.
Oh my god, fucking hit this guy! Are you fucking kidding me?
Okay, Lone Defender.
The fucking wall is triggering the fuck out of me!
I need a blink.
Fuck you!
Oh my god! The fucking wall!
God, that triggered me so much!
Oh, fucking hell, I'm sorry. God, I hate that so much. This is so bad. Oh, I see. String. Swarm incoming. Okay, alpha. Const. Can't I just say... Can't I just make a blink function? Hello there, Akuras. How you doing? Hope you're doing good. Oh, Rain Art. Thank you very much for raiding. How you doing, bro? Welcome. Didn't see that. Good morning. Raido. How you doing, bruh? Good morning, my man. I saw you're working on some juicy goblins. Made some female goblin. Looked really good. Very nice. Making good progress on the alpha, I hope. My man. Cakez, can the lazy fucker responsible for curating the clips, can that get shown? Please put some new ones in. That is me. I mean, or is it you? Is it you? Can't you download the clips yourself? Is that possible? It's me? Ah, I see. Hey, no worries, my man. It's fine. Listen, I don't expect anyone to do anything. It's fine. Will the game be free to play? Absolutely not. You're gonna pay $8.99 on Steam for it. Otherwise, might as well, you know, quit streaming and doing something else. Good. Been having a bunch of internet disconnects. Thought I better get off, yeah. Oh shit, that sucks, bro. Hope you get better tomorrow. Hope it gets better tomorrow. They fix something. Do you have a male pattern baldness in the family, or is it just from programming like me? Is it really that bad here on the sides for me? Let's see. I can't see the other side. This here? What? Maybe. It's not that bad, no? I have a little bit here, but it could also be alopecia or whatever that's called. Like I had like here, I'll show you. When I was under a tremendous amount of stress, I had spots on my head that would lose hair. Like spots where you would naturally never lose hair. to the sides, for example. And there was a tremendous amount of stress at the time. And what was it? A schnitzel lip. Let me see where I put that function though. I guess struct color, huh? Pragma pop. Hey? But where's the alpha? Oh, I see struct vector 4. Sorry guys, give me a sec. Color palette, normal colors. Then I'll do a void vec4 blink function. I'm not 47 years old. Let's see. Got worse over the course of 2 years. Yeah, I guess. I would pay $8.99 on Steam if I could buy. I'm working on it. Day 1 crack will also work. Yeah, but I think most people won't do it. Like, to think that most people would spend time and effort to go to some site to download my game for $8.99 when it is only $8.99. Like, yeah. Okay, there we go. Now I can go to, where was I? Here, alpha blink. Actually. Do game time. So now it's blinking, the color at least, and then we can do blink color. There we go. Sorry, I was distracted a little bit. That was a bit complicated for me to set up, even though it is very simple. What were we talking about? Color is blink color. All right, let me see that. Let's see how that looks. Let's see. Oh. Again, thank you very much for the raid. Oh, well, that's too fast. I don't think I want to make it blink. Cakez, where the line dummies, you remove them? Yeah, it's called Zen mode. Fuck ads? Oh, sorry, my pleasure. Sorry, Riren Art, what were you talking about? Sorry, totally missed that. Well, good sir, I'm going to retire and rest. Thanks for being gracious host, and good luck with the release code. Thank you, I appreciate that, my man. Travis, how bro, how you doing? Are you excited for the release? I'm actually scared of the release. I'm very scared that the release will go badly, Mr. Travis Roman. And I'm struggling a lot with motivation. If I'm being completely honest. Yo, Mr. Athano, thank you very much for 40 bits. Thank you, man. Yeah, and again, sorry for yesterday. I wrote you already, right? Sorry that I paused notifications and didn't see them. And that's exactly the reason why I also... This is exactly the reason why I disabled the spamage of those, so I don't have to always toggle a pause here. I'll find a better solution after I release my game, guys, for the notifications. I understand that it sucks right now, but at least... yeah, I would have not leaked the entire Discord session yesterday. No, I feel bad. He spent... It's not even $1, okay. He spent money, though, and he didn't get a notification, so I do feel bad. Release is in the title, my friend Mozart. Look how many days until release. Talking to the capsule art guy. Mario, also see your messages, but I'm gonna answer after the stream, okay? It's fine. Guys, can you stop, like, investigating my photos? Yeah, that was the photo of me and my wife. What's wrong with you? Do you have too much time? No, like he just made a sketch, like the capsule art. He's gonna do the different sizes for the capsules team. All right, defender alone, 2-block keystone. We are done, chat. Only difference is I'm going to update the shield on the keystone to this shield. So it doesn't look like it's a spiky shield. I'm going to probably do another keystone with the spiky shield. So I don't want to lose it. But I feel like the spiky shield is not what I want here. So we'll save that. Put it here. Could even leave it like that. It's not too bad. But nah. Let's make that proper. Oh, yeah. Okay, guys. It's time to gather YouTube emails. So the boring part begins now. We have to push through it, though. We need to get emails for YouTubers. Are you ready? Did you fix the pathfinding on the last level? No, did not fix that yet. Nope. I'm new to this community, but I've invested in your game dev journey, and I'll provide constructive review once I play the game. Thank you, Peter. Appreciate that. Yeah, not ready. Nopus. Hey, but at least this guy can block 4 now. There's no downside other than he cannot be placed close to others. Which means, oh wow. I can't even place a healer next to him. Interesting. Interesting. So I need to have higher range on the healer to heal him. I think that's nice. I don't hate it. Yeah, I think that's a good way, because then in the beginning you can't place units close to each other. And you cannot heal the guy with this shield. But then with investment into the skill tree, I think I have a node for range. Yeah, 10% range. More range here. With investment into this, you place a defender. And then you place a healer. And you can heal. And he still has the buff. Yeah, Progression, guys. Progression. Nice. That's what people like. Yeah, and Tangy also affects these buffs. So if I place her close to him, he's no longer alone. Okay, nice. Done with this point. So we did do 2 points in 1 hour and 45 minutes. So about 1.5 hours for these 2 points. It's a bit long. Let's start by getting YouTube emails. Hello, Farmer. How you doing? Thoughts on making the bow icon above the units more visible? This one here. I feel like I should make a smaller bow icon. And with an outline. If at all. I don't want the glow. Because if that bow's on top of the road, you can't see it. Yeah, I'll give it an outline. You are not incorrect. It's just a bit annoying here. Let's see. What can be the minimum bow that I can make? That I can also outline. Mm-hmm. And then we outline this. I think this looks kind of bad, though. Don't like it too much. Let's see how that looks. It's not too bad. Fits with this, the same size. I think I'll keep this. What do you guys think? You like it? Let's put this here. Park it for now. And move on. It's better? Yeah, let's move on then. I don't want to spend too much time on that. We now have to gather emails, you guys. The most fun part of the day. Household topic. That's where we left off yesterday. Hey, let me get the email list as well. It's only 20 emails. We can do it, Copium, right? So, Copium, hey, that is the wrong list, is it? No, it's the correct list. Right now, we have about 107 Duty Renos. in our list, at least English Deuterinos. We need at minimum 200, but better 300. And even more, actually, than that. The way we're gonna do this is like following. We're going to look for games that are similar to our game. And then we are going to look for YouTubers that have played this. And we'll click on the channel for the YouTubers. And we see if those are not on the list yet. And then we add them to the list. We're going to get the email. The last one we got was Strategic Fireplace, I think. Port the game to Odin in the Odin community would make you rich. I can try to make the next game in Odin, but I don't know. I've written so much code for this, for C++ already. Not sure, man. So yeah, this is going to be the marketing portion of today's stream, guys. Let's hope we can do this in an hour and be done with this. That would be amazing. All right, so what we have to do. Fungal Brain Rot, I think we have him. Let me search. Fungal. Why did we not do Fungal Brain Rot? What was wrong with him? Oh, because he did not have... He did not have... And you guys said that he was hacked. No, he was not. Do I have him? What was the problem with this guy? How many lines of code, Cakes? No such thing as an Odin community. Is it really worth it to switch languages just because you can do stuff other languages that can't? C++, surely switching comes with its own cost. No, it comes with its own cost for sure. It comes with costs, with advantages and disadvantages. I guess he didn't have a thing, right? Yeah, he didn't have... I could not reach him. Exactly. So there's no way to get in contact with him. Okay, next. Doesn't work. I'm Kate. Wait, is that new? We didn't get this guy yesterday. Why not? I'm Kate is new. 1 million subscribers. Wait, he didn't show up yesterday. All right, let's begin. So the way we're gonna do this though, I'm still on lockdown. I'm gonna switch account to Cakez TV, which is another YouTube channel I made a long time ago. Oh, now Rami shows up here. Okay. But I'm Kate still shows up. Okay. So let's just begin. I'm Kate is the first. Then Indie Buffet already did. This one didn't have a YouTube description. Harry Popperry we asked. We have them. Dangerously Funny, I think. I have this guy. Here. Phelps Live. That guy didn't show up as well. Wow, 17k views. Wait, that's not wait, that's popular. But that's not enough. There should be more loading. Hey, load more. What are you doing? Oblin Party? Outhold? Huh? Recent. Let's just go to recent. Maybe we can find something. This is a short from some guy talking about Outhold. Okay. Kosh Idol. I think we saw that guy already. Wow. So it doesn't show me enough. Why? It showed me much more yesterday. Home. Yeah, that sucks, guys. You load more. Hey, that's not enough. You loaded way more. Huh? What game are you making? 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 Wait. See you in 10 minutes, spammer. Guys. And then he said, shut the fuck up. Goodbye. Is he banned? Yep. Get some Blue City players? No, we'll get to that. We'll get to that. I talked about... Hey? Control F5. Maybe it's because of the account, guys. Maybe my account doesn't... Now it loads! Okay, so YouTube is just retarded. It's fine. Okay, I'm gonna load all of them. We will get every single drop of video. So now we get all of the videos. And all I need to do here is then look through them. We have the popular videos here. I'm Cage. We just clicked on... These were Chinese people or Asian. Let's say Asian, right? Shown, I think we have, yes. Indie Buffet, Harry Popperry, we got this guy. We Rascal, we got him. Phelps Live. Actually already got that one. Just Gaming Today. I think... This guy makes Let's Plays. Didn't I say that? Let's Play, Reese Rascal? Okay, let's do Just Gaming Today, because 200 views, but multiple videos is not bad. Strategic Orbital Potato, Just Gaming Today, Just Gaming Today. Harry Popperry. Oh, look. Quinn Jammin. Can Sugar V, that's a... Is this Spanish? Just Gaming Today. Jokerfish. Unhinged Kiwi. OGT. Gameverse Online, free games. I'm gonna skip that. That's a bit odd. Malterus I have on the list. Kosh Idol. I think we have him, do we? He shows up again. I don't know why I didn't pick him yesterday, but that's not bad. Maybe he stopped uploading or something? Kosh Idol again. Malterus Gaming. Let's Play Everything. Let's Play Everything. Outward. It's not bad. Malterus Gaming. Yeg. Maybe Yeg? Oh. Hulti Gamer. Maybe Japanese. I will write that he's Japanese into my list, but I will still contact him in English. And then maybe in the future I will localize all of my emails to different languages. But it's probably best if I plan on reaching the Asian market, that I reach out to a publisher over there. For example, this is what Tommy told me, the developer of Gnomes. They have earned over 330k with the game. They have marketing when it comes to... Where is it? Let me find it. It's actually... Email example. Let me find it. Gamer Sky is Chinese localization, and I think that is also can also be used as a publisher. Let me see. Gnomes Steam. I think Gamer Sky is also publisher. Gamer Sky Games. See? So if I want to reach the Chinese market, I think it'd be best if I contact Gamer Sky, but only if the game actually does have Ulti Gamer. Did we click on that? I think I did. And Yig, I suppose we could do Yig too. Lethal Frag, that's good. 6 hour watch. Still a lot of views for such a long duration. Yeah, I'm not gonna reach out to him. We'll skip those for now. Trend, these are shorts. I don't do anything with shorts. Salty Gamer again, that's good. But it's Japanese, so we'll have to be careful there. He might not read it because it's English. But I'll still reach out to the Japanese guy. I think he's Japanese. Like the letters look a little Japanese. Like maybe I'm wrong, but yeah. This is a Russian person? I mean, we could try reaching out to him too. 500 views almost is not bad. Really, it's really good, guys. You might be, you know... Ulti Gamer again. Very nice. You might be a little bit like your instinct is to think not even 1,000 views is bad because you are... How do you say that? Not infected, but blinded by the big success of the big YouTubers, but something close to like 500 views is really good. It's 500 different people that at least took a glance at your video. And just a couple of them, if just a couple of them come over, that's already $20, $30, something like that. Could be, potentially. I'm not saying it is, but it could potentially be. It's actually really good. So yeah, okay. Now, what we're gonna do is the following. We click on every single one of those. Just Gaming Today. Oh, that's why I didn't take him, because he doesn't have an email. Just Gaming Today does not have an email. Posts. Does he have posts? Happy New Year. Worked on some sound today. Guys. Should I do the same thing here? So basically, he has a YouTube post asking for games to play next. That's the Strategic Fireplace guy. And the Just Gaming Today guy has 12 subscribers. If I put him on the list and type in no mail, I could say he has a Happy New Year's post. And then we're like, hey, can you play Tangy TD? It's really good. Like a better post, but you know, trust me, bro. Like advertising our game in the post because we have no way to reach him via email. Like it would be a message along the lines of, hey man, find your videos awesome. I'm a small indie dev and would and can't find your email. My game, Tangy TD, just released. Maybe you like it. Since you played Outhold 2. And then it's like some message like, sorry for posting here. Couldn't find any other way to contact you. Maybe set up an email. Do it already? No, my game's not ready. Like, my Steam page is not ready. The demo's not been updated. So, but... played Outhold. Let's player.
Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Disc.
As let's play. Has no mail, but posts. I'm just gonna copy that. It's fine. Guys, hey, listen. Yeah, I don't want to say, I don't want to go, I don't want to be sitting here in the next, in like a month and regret my decision of not trying out everything I could, okay? He got a lot of views on the Outhold Let's Play. And he made a lot of parts. And I'm hoping that if he does that with my game too, that would not only be good for his channel, but also good for me. Anyways, this guy is huge. 300. Oh yeah, like this guy has 12 subscribers. So not many, but that might help spread the word of the game if he plays it. Quinjamin. All right, look, he's playing. What does he do? More. Okay, we need to unveil. You guys ready? Copy. Quinjamin. Big guy. YouTube. 340k. I always round up. Because they're bound to grow. He has a YouTube channel. A Twitch channel, sorry. And then let's look at the videos. What does he play? Plays... Oh, he also plays balloons. Interesting. Plays balloons. Played Outhold. So basically played balloons. Balloons. Outhold. Binding of Isaac. Yeah, I think that's fine. We got everything from him next. Canned Sugar V. Okay, this guy... guys, is this Spanish? 500k sub but only 500 views, damn. Yeah, but it's the amount of videos he has. He's very, very active. Like, to give you an idea, it can be quite common to have that. Look, Dance Gaming is another one of those channels, YouTube. He has 180k subs, but when you click on the videos, many of them don't have that much because it's oftentimes it's simple let's plays. But the good thing about those videos is that over time they gain more and more, and some people rewatch them. This is Turkish. Okay, I actually don't have a list for Turkish YouTubers, but I'm still gonna add him to the list. Let's see. Oh god, okay, I can't read any of that. But okay, we'll still add him to the list. So, what did I do? How did I do that? Russian, yeah, so basically Turkish. Turkish is red too, though. Turkish, right? That's how you type that. Played Outhold. I'll just get the email address. Is TCap on the Spanish YouTuber list? No, he's English. That's a big name. Guys, what does this mean? Should I just... If I address him... If I address him... sorry. If I address him personally, should I use the first part here? I think this is versus, right? Or is this like from or whatever? What is this? What does this mean in Turkish? Just write Can Sugura. Yeah, I thought so, right? This is the best part here. This is his name. Wait, whoops. Wrong lane. Like a League of Legends. Lol. How many subscribers? 60k. Whoops, he doesn't have a Twitch. Ach und. Okay, so this is an and. Okay. I think we are good to go here for now. Yeah, let's move on. Let's get this done fast. Oh, Jokefish. 10k subs, not bad. Very nice. Mr. Jokefish. Without researching I like to play games without researching them first, okay? Jump in completely blind. Blind plays blind. Like no research. Often results in a lot more fun playing. Steam streams are mostly work days here on YouTube. And over on Twitch. Happy to see you there. Okay. Played. Outhold. Good. Let's get his YouTube. Shit. Oh, he has a... Wait, maybe he has it on Twitch or his website, so we don't have to do an unveil. He does have a Discord link, which is not bad, because then that... Is he streaming right now? No, he's not. Okay, so let's see. No, just click on it, man! Fucking Twitch! Sorry, apologize. Business inquiries somewhere? No, he does not have his... but he has a Discord, but that's just a Discord server. I don't want to go that deep. So essentially... Whoops. We're gonna have to unveil. Fuck. Fine. Copy. I like his name, Jokefish. Works very well. Oops. Yeah, YouTube is amazing. This guy is doing good on YouTube. Very good. That's how you should do it. Like, how consistent is he? Very consistent. Very nice. Let's find the Outhold. Oh, he also played Hightail. Look, 5k views. Very nice. Good stuff. Let's find Outhold. Here. There. Demo. That's the demo, though. Oh, here's the real game. Oh, still the demo. No, good. Played Outhold. Plays many indie games. Black Hole, yeah. This one is a really good YouTuber contact. Very good. Small enough to care about emails and interested in small little games enough that, like, if you make an incremental game, you should contact him, like, for sure. Next. Unhinged Kiwi. I'm expecting not to find an email from him. He does have one. Okay, nice. Very good. Subscribe. This is channel about indie games with the occasional jump scare. So he does play, but he's not that consistent with uploading. That's not that great. And his views are all over the place, but we'll still contact him. I don't expect much from this because he's not that consistent. Unfortunately. And I have to do an unveil for him. So guys, what would you do? Would you add this guy to the list or not? If it's you deciding on putting him on the list of YouTubers. Last post from him is 5 days ago, not bad. Okay, so you say it's worth putting him on the list? Always, yes? Fine, we'll unveil. We don't have that many unveil orbs, guys. We only have 10 a day. Okay. I clicked submit too early. Fuck. Shit. Hopefully I didn't waste one now. Cakez Atom, he'll get in the occasional jump scares once he sees the... Ah, okay. What hut are you talking about? The hut is gone! At least I don't have to fill out motorcycles today. That's nice. It was annoying. No, oops. Go to next. OGT. 1.4k videos, that's good. Wait. The latest releases, latest game trailers, including new game trailers, gameplay first look, cinematics, announcements, reveals, games, blah 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 blah. Subscribe, stay up to date, get notified when new trailers arrive. Wait, is he just displaying trailers? Wait, is it just trailers? Wait, that's just trailers. Did I accidentally click on the Outhold trailer? It's the trailer for Outhold. Check Anacon. Ao Marcon, he's trying to help you, I guess, Cakez? Cakez, you're ignoring my chat. Cakez, you are ignoring Quingem's Twitch. You put in the wrong YouTube link. Wait, I am? I'm sorry. I put in the wrong... Oh, thank you. Sorry. I appreciate that, bro. Sorry. Yeah, I didn't see it. I was focused too much. Thanks, man. And now it does the YouTube again. Are you fucking retarded? Bro, I'm gonna lose my mind. Copy link. Delete. Paste. Huh? YouTube? Oh, it's a redirect. It's a redirect. It is the same. It's the correct link, but it's oh, it's so bad. Same here. Ah, that's so dumb. Okay, if you copy the links from YouTube, then it's that. Okay, I get it now. Guys, do we contact OGT for the trailer? That needs to be a special email. I can't say... I guess I'll contact him. It's fine. Let's unveil. How much did it take you to make the game? Time, just time. 4 years. Yeah, sorry guys, I didn't read the chat. I was focusing on this. Alright, let's get the email. I clicked submit button too early again. I hate this! YouTube! Okay, next. But yeah, we'll see. Bro is a bot? Who's a bot? Written in C++. Yeah. Hi from Mexico. Hello there. What library did you use to build your game? FreeType and STB image. Kosh Idol. I don't know why we did not get this guy yesterday. He's live right now to 14 people watching. Brand new incremental RPG. Just out. Man, this guy is styled like crazy, bruh. Holy shit. Beautiful. Members videos. Looks good. Let's see. Idle and incremental games, guides, reviews, etc. Let's just write that in here. Idle and incremental games, guides, comma, reviews, etc. Played, Outhold. There we go. Copy. Was it 10K? We need to unveil the email address, of course. Good. And then Kosh Idle. Next. How many did we get today, guys? Are we at 7 or 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 so far. So we are almost halfway done. Let's play everything. Did we get that guy yesterday? No. Good. Streaming right now too. Very nice. Contact information, main video content, etc. can be found in the main channel. Wait. We have this guy. It's the Azo guy. The Azo something. Right? I thought we got to him yesterday. Yeah, this Azularath guy. 2 channels. Yeah, so that is unfortunately already taken. We already have this guy. Yeg. I was thinking of using Raylip. That's a good choice, for sure. I think you will be able to make a game really fast on Raylip. Okay, I placed a mix of games. Okay, well, played Outhold. Let's see what else. Oh, I hate that. Videos. Let's try. Oh, he just plays indie games and incremental games in general. Plays mini games. Plays mostly indie games. Played Outhold. There we go. Okay, cool. And you have a link and email address. Great. I have to reload. I hate this, man. Why you gotta do that to me? Let's give him 1k. He's gonna get that 1k soon. Then he can earn money on YouTube. I wonder how many unveils we have left. So this is retarded. You see that? It says you have reached today's access limit. The access limit on YouTube is 10 emails a day. Now, how many emails did we get today? Strategic Fireplace was the last email we got yesterday. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So they are cheating me out of 3 mails because sometimes their unveiling process does not work. Because it's bugged. Nice. Thank you, YouTube. But I have more. They think I have no more channels? I have more. I can get 50 a day. Pussy. Let's move on. Unveil. Please don't give me motorcycles, man. The submit button didn't work again. So I just got cheated again. I can't believe this. -1. Bro, you can't be serious. Ah. Okay. My God. All right. Information. Yeah, we have. Next. Hulti. No, Hultuti. Maybe you are a robot after all. Yo, bro, they're tracking the action. Click. What do you mean, click? Ah? Okay, this channel, mostly indie games from Japan. Okay, so this guy's from Japan, but he can type an English description, which is amazing. And he has a curator profile, does he? Is this a curator profile? Guys, is this a curator profile? Or is this just his profile? Why would he link his Steam here? Gameblogspot.com. Maybe we can find his email there. Okay, I just got hacked. Whatever. Try finding more Asian channels. It'll be a... Oh, no, not motorcycles, man. Okay, so there's part of a bike or motorcycle here. That's also a motorcycle. And there's motorcycles on this board. You can't be serious. So the problem is, if I click this and it's wrong, then the captcha is wrong. If I don't click this and it's right, then the captcha is wrong again. But it could also be wrong because there was a motorcycle. Aha. So a picture of a motorcycle doesn't count. A picture inside a picture of a motorcycle, right? Okay, copy. I hate this. How much does he have? Wow, 45k. Let's give him the 45k here. Mostly indie games. From Japan. Played out. Hold. His name is Hultuti. Next. Guys, we almost have 10. Actually, we have this guy already. We had Diego already. Lethal frag. Okay, nice. Try putting in a pause of uBlock. You think it's uBlock? The hint for solving those captchas, it's always 3 or 4 figures. Really? There's this guy from Spain, YouTube only roguelikes. I think we have him already. Yeah, we have only roguelikes already. Lethal Frog is an archives video content from the Twitch stream. 13 plus years full time. Holy cow. That is a lot. Okay, let me select it. I hate it. YouTube! Stop. Maybe it's the video making it lag. Okay. $32K. Streamer that are his words played out. Now we need to find his email though. To how many people is he streaming usually to? Does that matter? Not really. There's gotta be a business inquiries. YouTube. Rules FAQ, all things lethal frag. They can't be serious. You don't have a mail anywhere? It's a long list. Amazon trading. Is there a way to find your email? Do you archive past broadcasts? Yes. On YouTube, how do I notify it? Chat rules, live streaming, story behind, how do I communicate? Best way to communicate is in chat. Unfortunately, although I like to personally respond every message, it is. Do you not have an email? Well, that sucks. Reddit AMA request. He left business contact here. In a Reddit post? Why? Thank you very much. Holy shit, you found it. I appreciate that a lot, bro. What is your motivation behind the 2-year live stream challenge? Do you feel you have set of environment? Blah, blah, blah. Okay. I don't know what that post is, but okay. Thank you. Appreciate that a lot. Let's get his YouTube. Lethal frag. Double click it, man. Come on. I don't have time for your shit right now, YouTube. I don't have time for you to lag. God, that's laggy. Why? Questionable, yes. 11 years ago, is it still current? Well, that's the only thing we have. So hopefully there's nothing more we could do other than find it. Hint for finding streamer email, streamelements.com/username/tip. Check donate via PayPal and it will show their email. Could you double check that for me for this guy? Bigatti Tech, if it's the same email. Could you do that? Would be nice. This guy is Russian. He does have a Twitch. I don't know. Maybe these are VODs from his Twitch channel. 40 minutes. Number 200. Tower Dominion. Oh, he played Tower Dominion too. And he uses AI-generated emails, thumbnails, I think. He's one of those AI guys. Aha! We got 10 emails already, though. Halfway do. 50 views. You guys do not see the bigger picture. Do I have to explain that to you? That is 400 views. That is 50 views. Then we have another 700 views. Then we have another 400 views. There's 1,000 views. There is 3K views. You are misinterpreting a late video. You do not understand how YouTube works. YouTube is awesome. I'll show you an example, but I don't want to spend too much time talking. I believe the email is fake because he got a website. The power of YouTube comes from longevity. YouTube is amazing for longevity. Videos that stay up and give views over time, even without you doing nothing. So there could be a video that has 50 views, but over time, all of a sudden, it goes from 2,000 to 4,000 or whatever, from 50 to 100. So YouTube is good, man. And so this guy is very good to contact because he has a lot of videos and his later videos all gain views. So maybe they don't gain views now, but over time, it'll be a constant flood of, not information, but of views. Stop lagging! You guys say I should disable adblock for now. Disable it for the site. You think it's adblock that's causing this? No, it's not. I literally clicked here and it's lagging. It's still lagging. So it's not adblock. You're wrong. No, it's not adblock. It's the same. It's so bad. Why is it so laggy? Parking meters. 1, 2. Three. Guys, there's a parking meter here. If this is a parking meter, this capture sucks. Okay, it's not. Submit. Bro, you can't be serious. Oh, it's Cakez TV. I wasn't on Cakez Live. Of course. You tested with 5 channels, but I've been going through 10 channels already. I think it's when you load more and more channels. There's got to be something. Did you try Lost Relic Games? Try a Control-Shift-R. Just did. Okay, maybe that helps. And I'm gonna wait, guys. I'll turn it on, back on, because this doesn't do anything. That's not the problem. We have this guy. We need the email address. Still lagging. Oh, bus. 1, 2, 3. Shit! Oh, I got it. Okay. This guy's mostly a streamer, right? I don't know. Difficult to say. Played Outhold. 50k. Played Outhold. Outhold. Tower. Dominion. Could be into tower defense games. Ah, shit. Russia. And I think the color I used yesterday is red. Guys, how do I copy the red color? How do I copy that? It's a custom color, so I should still have that, right? Okay. Nice. Are you a scammer? Why are you taking the emails? Oh, Jason, you don't know how that works? I'll explain it to you. So essentially, when you're making a game in any game, you need to market the game to people. So basically, marketing means you need to spread awareness that your game exists, especially for big launches like this demo launch on Steam. There's a demo that you can upload and then launch it. It's like almost like a big release. And obviously the release of your game. And the bigger the attention to the game on release, the more your Steam is going to push your game because you're earning more money and people are playing your game. And the way to do that is by sending one way to do that. Not the only way, but one way to do that is to send out emails to different creators online, and that would be YouTubers, for example, and streamers, to have them play the game. And if you don't have a big marketing budget, you are kindly asking them to play the game for you, your game, and you give them a key to the game for free. So you basically, you give them a free game, your game, and they decide if they want to play it or not. And that's how you do marketing. And the way to do that, the way to get the emails for those YouTubers is very simple. You go to the YouTube channel. If you find one let's say you found one on YouTube that you know made videos about a different game that is similar to your game, you go to the YouTube channel, you click on the more information, then it gives you the description and possible links. The same with view email address. You click the button, you unveil it, and then you copy that email into your list of emails. And that's what we are doing here. It's an entire list of possible YouTubers and streamers that could be interested in playing my tower defense game, Tangy TD. I just got a short, guys, which I will use to market my game too. Hey guys, you gotta take them, you know? Gotta take them, everything you can. It is always, do I know Russian? No, I don't know Russian. In this case, we have a Russian YouTuber here. Can I send him an email? I don't know. I will send him an email in English and hope he replies. 99%, or let's say 95% of emails you send out are gonna be in a void. They're not gonna read them, or they read them and they decide not to play your game. That's why you send out a lot of emails. God, I'm so good. That's gonna be a short, man. Delicious. Okay, 5 dangerously funny. I think we have this guy already. Dangerously funny. Yeah, we have him. Okay, next. Phelps live. I think we don't have him. Damn. How long have you been learning C++? Oh yeah, null exception. How's it going? It's going okay. Still waiting on the capsule. Hey, I forgot to check the messages. Let me check. No, polishing the game. I'm polishing the game. This is not a polish stream. Polish means game polish. It's not Polish language. All right. Phelps live. I don't think we have him. Nope. It's a bit annoying that it moves this up every time, but okay. Phelps, he does have a Twitch. He does have Kick too, sogar. In English. And is this, guys, is this Spanish? Do you mean publish? No, I mean game polish. Polishing the game. Polishing a game means refining the small details like sound effects, particle effects, smooth animations, and UI feedback to enhance immersion, satisfaction, and perceived quality. Do you understand? Good. Kami and Chuck, thank you guys for following. Guys, is this Spanish? Portuguese. This is Portuguese. I don't have Portuguese, so I need to say Portuguese here. Portuguese. Is this Spanish language? It says Brazil. Brazilian Portuguese. Okay, so just from Brazil. It's fine. Streams. Mostly. Played. Ouch, hold. Let's just do that. It's fine. He has a lot of subscribers. It's crazy. 740k. Let's get the YouTube. Get the email. Yeah, I reached the limit today. Can't. It's the wrong channel. Need to use that. Brazil is very big. I should contact him, right? But I don't know if... Oh, great. Bicycles. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Nice. Submit. Copy. Phelps live. So basically just Phelps. He has a Twitch too. And I'm not gonna get the kick. Wow, he's big. It's crazy. This guy got motion. Like insane. Insane on motion. 900 subs. Been trying to get that 1.5 million followers, huh? Blue Sky. Oh, great. There's his email. I wasted an unveil, but fine. Good. Now, I'm Cage. Last outhold YouTuber on the list. Control-Shift-R. If your game booms in the South American bubble, that would be big. I don't know. We'll see. I'm still missing like 5 emails for the day. Actually 7 emails if this guy I'm Kate at screenmedia.com business email. Great. We have the... Oh, it's lagging. Don't know why. I might have to restart. It's lagging. It's so annoying to deal with this. It could be so much faster. I don't know why YouTube is such a dog shit place when it comes to this. How much? A million, right? What does he play? I play silly little games. Play silly little games. Played out hold. Has a Twitch too. I'm gonna restart the browser, guys. I'm tired of this. It's really annoying. Okay, so we have now gotten almost every single YouTuber from Outhold. We can click on recent real quickly to see if there is something we missed. We have Kosh Idol. Yeah, let me restart the browser. It's super annoying to deal with. This Jason guy on YouTube is getting annoying. Why would I have a virus in my game? You stupid, bruh? What are you talking about? Okay, so Outhold. What now? Lost Relic Games? What is that? What is Lost Relic Games? Did I try Lost Relic Games? Does he even play games? What's killing this new indie? He doesn't upload enough, guys. Been working on a progression for Walking Trade. God. Is this a skill tree? Interesting. So, I don't know about Lost Relic Games. Let's do something else. So which game? It's major events in a game. I see. It's like to see where the player gets blocked, etc. I feel like some people really either don't have anything to do or just mean as fuck. Yeah, I don't know, like, what's with these people? It's fine, like, it doesn't really get to me. It's just annoying because I can't really see the real messages. It just seems like trolls come out of nowhere and spam the chat, which I guess is fine. Let's see. Lost Relic Games is... I know he's making his own game. We have watched some of his videos. How's this guy doing, by the way? This guy is a Dark Souls content creator. I looked him up. 500k. Still making Dark Souls videos. Yep. Still making really good big videos. Yo, Mr. Bugatti Tech, why am I not getting TTS? Replay. Wait, maybe I don't hear it? Wait, sorry. Huh? What the hell? Why did that not work? Sorry, man. Wait, I can replay it. It's fine. I don't have time. And we got the shitty song. Wait. Refund. Bits. Let me find the bits part. Subscription. Cheer. Pirate. Pirate doesn't work? Old. Maybe old works. Sorry about that, bro. Very sorry. Let me try. That's annoying. Why do some of these work and some others don't? I also have a cheer range, which I haven't enabled. I guess I have. I don't think that works with 50 bits. Oh, why do these things happen, bro? Bits. I don't see bits. Do you guys? A cheer. I'll do your TTS. I appreciate it, bro. Sorry about this. Very sorry about this, man. Let me test. Why is it not doing the TTS, man? I don't understand. So, like, TTS for subscriptions work. But for cheer messages, they don't? But it's literally the same. Fuck, man. Why? It seems to use an entirely different TTS thing than this one here. Seems to use an entirely different setting. Let me see. Doesn't... I don't know why it's not doing the message here. Maybe it needs to be... Oh, it's annoying. That doesn't work. I'm sorry. I don't know why. Maybe they go through a different TTS channel. Is there not open with VS Code? I don't know. I can't fix it. I'm sorry. I apologize for it not playing. Check the gamer Zach on YouTube. He makes games lists. I'll check here. Yeah, sorry, but let me do the TTS again. Oh, I work with a Brazilian YouTuber who has 2 channels
I
with
so
almost
out
1
of
million
touch?
subscribers. We want to tell him about your game and if
No.
we make a video about it. He
Spooky
is called Audio Young.
Spookster
His
just
channels are-
subscribed.
Thank you, my man. Spooky Spookster. Appreciate it. Here is your TTS. Or not. So normal TTS does not work. Oh my god, you Twitch. Gonna make me mad today. You're making me mad today. I'm gonna lose my mind today. It doesn't work. I just don't know. Sorry if I sound a little bit sad and annoyed and, like right now, but it's this type of shit I just cannot deal with this right now. I just cannot. I do not understand why it randomly would break. TTS servers down. No, like the subscriptions work. And if it was done, if it's like, it should go through the same channel for TTS, because both of them just call do TTS function, I would say, I would assume, right? There should be a do TTS function for cheering and for subscription messages, and they both have the old prefix. One of them works, the other one doesn't. It just doesn't make any sense to me. Like, how is there different paths for TTS when it should go to through one function? I'm overwhelmed. I'm sorry, guys. So, guys, what do we do? Oh man, I'm exhausted after this. It's so stressful. I hate it. Getting a headache. Relax. I don't even have 20 email lists. Emails. I need 7 more. I need 7 more. How do we get 7 more emails? Guys. Yeah, no, that's not from Mr. Almeida. Like, hidden pixels. Yeah. So what now? How do I get more emails? I've looked at Gnomes, the game. We have all of those YouTubers.
Checking out today. This game.
Gamer Zach. Thank you. Which one? This one, I guess. 2,000 videos. Oh, you played Morrowind, yeah? Hi, call me Zach as we move forward looking into city building, upcoming games, nostalgic games. Okay. Videos. Uploads very often. Plays Settlers. Does he play indie games though? City builder. He plays a lot of city builder games, man. If I was making something like, I would expect him to play They Are Billions. He did, yes. Outhold. Did not play Outhold. Well, I guess it's part of it. The best, most anticipated base building tower defense games. Game. No, wait. How's it called again? The King's Gaze. Guys, what is it called again? The King is Watching. The King is Watching. He did play that. But he did not play Tower Dominion. Well, I guess it's in here. Gnomes. Did not play Gnomes. Outhold. I can contact him, but I'm expecting it not to be in here. So he makes... He likes... Yeah, okay. Well, let's just do it though. It's fine. I'm still thinking whether to buy that thing or not. It's gotta stay open. Okay, +1. More info and about. Business email. Cool. Excuse me. Yeah, there we go. Second YouTube channel. Wait, there's a second YouTube channel. What is this? The XXL. Maybe he plays there. Official respawn point. Gameplay live streams. Okay. But he's not active here. 1 month ago. And yeah, base building. I'm not expecting him to play my game. Like 99% sure he will not play my game. The king is watching 1 year ago, so that's not gonna happen. Ball X Pit Cakes. It's a different type of game, but I guess Ball X Pit is what we could search next. Okay, thank you, man. I appreciate it. We got the next one, Gnomes. Yeah, let's check Gnomes a little bit more. Parked. Did I get him? Let's see. I have. So he exists. GRM plays. Yeah, I think I have this. Flip Rose. Alien. I have. I misspelled his name though. Thronefall. So what do you do when you reach this point where the similar games that you have, the similar games to you have exhausted? What do you do then? You just try to get something, I guess? What do you do? What do you guys think? You shotgun it? So basically from this point onward, I'm looking at YouTubers that have played a much broader spectrum of games, but not the tower defense games that, like, okay, well, we can do this, but it might not be much. Let me see if I cannot find. Let's look at recent. Hillian, Wonderbots, Big Simple. Do I have Big Simple? No. We could do Big Simple. Fortress, mate. Eh? That's not the game, is it? Gothic Lord UK. Gojo, I think back then I didn't get the 900 viewer Andys. So I might be able to get those guys now. Back then I think I had a minimum of 1k views. Ron Empire, like for example that. Evil good guy. Wait, that's it? There's no way that's all. Absolutely not. You should have different tiers. No time for different tiers. We just need a list. I think it's too much to set up. Maybe for like, if you really want to spend time and refine the list, but no. It's too much. You look at other games that people list play. Search for the games, also playing those. Okay. Let's see. Like this should reload indefinitely until we're running out of loads. Let's just get down to the very nitty-gritty here. There's quite a few that played gnomes. That's a lot. Okay, we're done. Good, let's go up. Fortress, Alien, Lilling, Gothic Lord, okay. Armbroyer, I think I... No, that's a shot, no. Gothic Lord UK, Ron Empire, I think we were here. Flip Bros, Evil Good Guy, that's the last one I clicked on. Short. Black Stark. Okay. Idle Cup. Gothic Lord UK. Oh, the Zith Lutel, that guy. It's a Russian, but hey, we can still ask. I think I have Boring Dad Gaming. Let's see. I have. Babel Builder. Indie Buffet. Flip Rose. Shurko. Sure. Already have this guy. Shit. Next. The Gamer Maldito. I have that. Reformist we have. Boring Dead Gaming we have. Nucrium we have. Evil Good Guy. Surge. Yeah. Artem Frog. That's a Russian too. Rune Hawk. I think these are new. White Falcon Place. I think I have this. Yep, White Falcon. Let's see. Just gonna call him Mr. Boring Dad. I think that comes off much cooler. I think I clicked on those, right? Yeah, I think when we have all of those, we should be good. Gothic Lord, alias Gaming. Let's see. Alias. Okay. Match Place Indies. Do I have that? No. Good stuff. Babel Builder. I think I have that in one of the links. Cheesecake Cactus. I think I have this. Don't. Okay. Very nice. Cakez, here are some games you can check. Hex Guardian, let them come. Dungeon Warfare, Dungeon Warfare, Dungeon Warfare, Catch and Defense. Dome Keeper, Border Pioneer, Gem Miner TD. Thank you, man. Steam Curators. Oh, the way you contact Steam Curators is no longer by email, and you no longer want to get emails from Steam Curators. What you do now is there's a setting in Steam What's it called? Not Workshop. In Steam... What is it called? Steamworks. Yeah, in Steamworks. That allows you to contact the Steam Curators through the Steam website. So you can give them a key to your game that only works for them through the Steam service, so there's no way that they can scam you or that they can take the key they got from you through the service and sell it on other sites. It's only for them. So the way you contact them now is no longer by email and giving them actual keys. You use the Steam service for that. There is a way. Well, I guess it's harder now, though. Fun, no fun. Now we take that guy too. Why don't the goblins just go around? Are they stupid? True. What is this thumbnail? Gothic Lodge. Guzzle and Frag. I think I have Guzzle. Pun, no fun. I don't think I have this guy. I like Pie Gaming. I think. I guess we could take that too. He has his Discord. Oh no, that's the Gnome's Discord thing. Oh, look at this. This is, I think, another Russian. I'll take that. Okay, we're good. So I clicked on all of them from Gnomes now. So what I'm gonna do is actually... no. Put the list here and restart the browser again, because it's lagging. People pay them. What? There is a way people pay them. What? People pay who? What? I don't understand. Like, who pays whom? Restore previous session. Okay. Let's go back to this. Good stuff. All right, let me see here. Now, I'm going to fill this list in and then I'm exhausted, bro. Holy cow, doing this list is really exhausting. How much do you guys think I should get? 300 to be safe or 400? What's your opinion? 300 or 400? I want to send out all emails at the same time. I might do a business account for that. I can't do 300. I can't do 3,000. What are you talking about? Yeah, sure. At least 3. Man, that shit is exhausting as hell. It is like very exhausting. Do you have a layer? You do. Okay. We're back to Cakez, but we should have enough time spent so that we have 10 more unveils. Got the Twitch too. Hi, I'm Serge. Hello there, Serge. A Twitch streamer. Okay, so this guy is a Twitch streamer. Twitch streamer from Canada. Oh, let's place. Who cares from Canada? Twitch streamer. Focus on Minecraft. And let's place survival crafters. Played gnomes. Let's get this thing here. He has 5k subs. Get the email address. I'm trying to get the email address through Twitch though. Possible. Oh, he's live. Hello there, sir. Good morning. 130 people. It's a lot. It's a lot. Here we go. We can save a 1 unveil. Amazing. Oh yeah. Nice. $400, $300, $400. All of them. Yeah, I mean, I have to do this in batches. Like 10 days would be 200 mails. That is not enough. 10 days. I need to basically be done with the mails. I need to be done on 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 days to get 200 more emails minimum. To get to 400 mails, I need to get, let's see, calculator. I have about 130 right now. Minus 400. I need 270. Divided by 5 days is 50 a day. I'm currently doing 20. Oh man, I need to do 30 tonight. Minimum. I'll do 30 tonight. Where's the list of games you sent me? I'll put it on a to-do list. Thank you. Good, thank you. I appreciate that. I love this to-do list. Is this guy done? Yes. Nice. Let's continue. Why should they do it for free? There are way too many games. Some people play games because they like them, mate. I don't think this guy has a connection here. Probably not set up, or he's not allowed to do so. Or YouTube decides to load in dev. Oh, he is. Not bad. He doesn't have, probably doesn't have that many videos though. Yeah, he doesn't. But maybe he does it. Maybe he doesn't. This one is not that. 45. Played gnomes on YouTube. Mostly streams, I guess. Does not. Played gnomes. Doesn't upload much. Well, I feel like I'm wasting my unveil on this guy. If I'm being completely honest. Doing this without a script is so tough. Yeah, I mean you need to do this by hand, I think. Great, now the unveil didn't work. Come on, man. I clicked the submit button. Give me the email. Belarus. There's a clip of me talking about that. People made fun of me. Okay, copy email. I got him anyways, it's fine. We're getting the Twitch too. Whatever. Let's move on. You mean the company? No, Belarus is an action. Yeah, shut up. Yes, the company. Rune Hawk. 10 months ago. Does he do videos? 62 videos 4 days ago. 10 days ago. Not that often, but often enough. Rune Hawk has a Twitch. Yeah, guys, this is tedious. You see that? So yeah, I might actually make this list public for everyone. We'll see how I do that though. I don't know if I can just leak it. Okay, so we have to unveil. Fuck. Don't. It's illegal to share emails in bulk. It is? Really? So I can't even share this list if I wanted to? Is that is it really? Are you for real? Next. That is a streamer. I'm sure people do it, but technically, yes, it's bad. Alias Gaming, and I don't have this guy yet. Interesting. I'm a Twitch streamer. Alias Bot. Yeah, we'll get this stairs. Okay. You can't tell me that you can do this with 4, man. You're lying. Ah, come on. One, 2, 3, 4. What do you mean? You can't be serious. This is the entire image. Aha! Thank goodness. All right, this guy played Gnomes. What else did he play? He has 1,000 videos. He's doing a lot. Plays many indie games, looks like. Yep, plays a variety of indie games, played Gnomes. Nice. Copy Twitch, and guess what? He's gonna have his email address here too, right? Next. 2 more, guys. 2 more for today. At least on stream. Let me at least write the freaking whatever that's called. Matt plays indies. Nice. You have the email in here. I love you. Good, copy that. 2K. I mean, it's almost 3K soon, but I cover games that are on PC storefronts, yeah. Games on PC. No itch.io. My name is Matt. Okay, Matt for giggles. Name is Matt. Matt for giggles. Played Gnomes. How many times do you upload? I think very recently you did, right? 1 hour ago. Yeah. Does not get that many views, but they accumulate over time, guys. So it's fine. Next. Runehawk we have. Who is this? Oh, the cactus guy. Yeah, yeah. Cheesecake Cactus. Live right now too. Very nice. Discord, view email address, okay. I hate that. Just start to code already, I wanna see. You need to go to the beginning of the stream, mate. I need to do this right now. This is part of game development, at least for the first game. Open for Shit. Check out my throne wishlist. Let's see. I'm coding again tomorrow, my friend. I know this sucks, but I need to do this now. Otherwise, I won't have enough. I know yeah, I saw that. Yeah, he plays a lot of indie games. And he played Gnomes. So basically he played... Hello. Heh? Play... What is going on here? Plays a lot of indie games. Played Gnomes. There we go. Does he have a YouTube? I don't think he does. Next. Actually, we are done. Oh, thank goodness. All right. So, you do this by hand, right? Pun no fun. Let's get pun no fun, though. Is he marketing now? Well, part of marketing. This list that I'm doing here right now. This stuff that I'm doing right now is something you do once for your first game, and then for the next games you have this list already. But for the first game it is the most annoying part. XQC is on the list, yeah. PewDiePie is not. It might be against the TOS on Google and the likes. Yeah, it might be that. So we'll have to be careful with that. Goat's cool. Thank you very much for following on Kick. Yes, that deep goat so good. I think this task is just insanely boring, but okay. Is there a way to contact him? If you want to support me, consider becoming a member. Tier list, join the Discord. Checklist. So I cannot make him play my game. I got to get lucky, I guess. Sad. I don't have a way to find out his email. Fine, the next one. Who's that? Are you planning about a video? Yeah, I want to make a video. I don't know if I can get it before release though. Get it done. This guy is somewhat big, that's nice. And he has an unveil for his email address. Might also be on his Twitch. Let's get that first. 30k followers on Twitch, so he might have it here. Or on Blue Sky. No. On Blue Sky? Yes, it is. There it is. Business email. Thank goodness. Don't have to waste an unveil. Got his YouTube. What does he say? Channel stream highlights. Okay, mostly a streamer. Plays. Played. Gnomes. Uploads. Many indie games, I think. Let me check. It's a lot of videos. Yeah, played Megabonk as well. Megabonk, Fortnite actually. It's a lot of Fortnite. Actually more first-person shooters, it looks like. Yep. These are mostly 3D games. Shooters, FPS. But he still played Gnomes, so And his name is Bernandiel, probably without the H, right? All right, that's the last one, guys. Actually, it is the last one. Oh no, it's not. There's more here, but I'm exhausted. What is your end goal? Oh, 400 emails would be nice to have. It is a drag, though, I'm not gonna lie. We got 20 today. 21, actually, so far. 400 emails and 0 replies, yeah. I mean, it is how it is. That's just the way it is. Guys, I'm exhausted. And I... Oh. Yeah, I will make sure that it doesn't end up in spam. You're right. Man, this marketing stuff is just draining me. I have to be honest with you guys. I don't know about you, but I'm just... Oh. Do you enjoy the marketing stuff? It's so tedious because it's the same task over and over and over again. It's just crazy. Maybe there's a better way to do it. How much was this guy just now? Let's just say 20k. Can I see it? How much did you have? Doesn't matter. 20k. Man, I need to get home soon. I'm pretty sure my wife's waiting. Marketing stuff is horrible. I'm glad I'm not the only one that suffers. Yeah, bro, I hate it. It's so tedious. You need to make sure it doesn't end up in spam. It's so boring. Yeah, it is boring as hell. I like to remind myself that I have a ready game and the light at the end of the tunnel is visible. Yeah, true. Nah, yeah, the marketing guys, maybe that's just what they love doing, huh? But yeah, I feel like I gotta do the YouTube lists. I will reduce the amount of YouTube lists I do on stream to 10. To not bore you guys to death. And I might do more coding on stream and Reddit posts on stream, because I think that's more... active. And yeah, the short, okay? We'll write the short. How many videos are you doing? You're very active. Very, very active. Let's see. I tried to play many games, mostly indie games. Yeah, let's get this guy now, though. I like it. Also has a Twitch. Very nice. Good stuff. I don't know why I have to keep doing this. It pisses me off. Do that, please. But yeah, we have to push through this. How much? 1.5 to 2k. Many games. Mostly indie. Does reviews. And first impressions. Man, you know, looking at all of these different YouTube channels just makes me want to play games and upload them to YouTube. Just awesome to see. Okay, so he does not stream at all. He just has a channel there sitting. But maybe he does not have an email there. Fine. Unveil. Marketing is like dating. You need to learn it to enjoy the ride. Yeah, it's like coding too. Ha! I almost got yoinked by these guys. All right, cool. 129. It does go reasonably fast. But yeah. Coding can be fun on day one though. I suppose. What did he do here? Did he try to stick it out? Make the stick one out? This one stick out? I don't think it works. But yeah. Whatever. Who cares? My name is this channel, tutorials, gameplay, variety of games. Mostly Dominion 6 at this time. Dominion 6. 1 day ago. No, you play indie games now. Let's plays. I suppose. Indie game let's plays. Is the new art ever gonna come in? Yeah, it takes some time, that's true. I think it'll be done by tomorrow, guys. Sorry. I'm exhausted, guys. Man. I keep repeating it, but I actually am. View email address. Wait a minute. Maybe he has it here. Any news about the... You're still waiting on it. YouTube? Twitch? Okay, no. So we need to unveil it. Okay, so that's gotta be all those. Now the question is, does the stamp count as a traffic light? Fuck off. Bicycle. So yeah, it's definitely those, but this is a box, right? Haha. Do some art polish. No, this is the most... And now the submit button doesn't work. You can't be serious, YouTube! Hey! This is the most important task right now, and I'm a person that, at least when it comes to... It's gotta be just this, right? You can't be serious, Cars. 1, 2, 3. 3. Ha! Copy. Paste. I just need to do this now. That's the thing. Another one. A real civil engineer we have on the list already. Daniel, thank you. I appreciate that, bro. No, I think what we'll do is I'll switch it up for now. We have 130 right now. We need 270 still. I'll try to get more off stream. But if we are speaking realistically, I think... Actually, I don't have 130. I have more. Here's another 10. That's 140. 144 plus 1. 145 is what I have, actually. I think realistically I will be able to get to 300 for sure. But I don't think I will be able to get to 400. However, what I can do is gather more emails as a side quest. So the moment I hit 300 emails, the main quest is done. And then we switch over to other stuff in the game and other marketing stuff, like making sure we do a short each day or a short every other day. in conjunction with Reddit posts and making the game as good as possible in the remaining days leading up to the release. And then the other stuff, just like the emails, they become a side quest. Meaning the priority will be lower, but it's still there. I think that's what we're gonna do. And Maramundo, thank you very much for following. I appreciate that, bro. So for now, I think I need a break, at least from the YouTube stuff, but I want to start at least something that I've been putting off for way too long, which is, hey, at least do the write-up of the YouTube Shorts. Okay, these are all gnomes. I'll do them tomorrow. We did that. Is this the medieval bread thing? Okay. Almost deleted this enemy forever. Empty castle. My game got 5,000 wishlists. I think it's those two. I need to sort them together. Empty castle game shorts. Yeah, so perfect. Jig Rift. So this is the guy that got 5,000 wishlists in how much? In less than a month. So hopefully we can get at least part of his success. Let's say 2,000 wishlists. Let's dream a bit, right? Hopefully we can get half of his success by doing exactly what he does. And let's put all of the stuff together that we need. Vedinat. My game throws out the rules of jigsaw puzzles. You can do groups now. Maybe I should do a group. Empty this one as well. Maybe I turn that into. I can't do a group. Why can I not do a group there? But here, it's a bit odd. Okay, add that one here. Wait a minute. Shit. Vedinat, cakes, that can go away. Okay, so that's the start. And then everything. Why can I not make a group? Okay, nice. So these are all of the different shorts that people have made that were somewhat successful. So this one was a successful short. This is a successful short. And then this is another YouTuber with successful shorts. And obviously Vedinat has been very successful. I'm trying to create a group here. How does it work? Aha. We'll put... Let's call this... Marketing shorts. I've never done that before, so I'm gonna put that. Oh, I see. So I can put this all in here or what? It's a bit janky. Here are the examples. And then, so you click on this and it extends. And then what happens if I click on that? It just changes this. Okay. All right. So this is the group we're talking about, marketing shorts. How does he start his short? Let's see. Shut up. I wishlisted. Thank you, Cornelius Witch. I appreciate that, bro. Can you spam Reddit soon? Yeah, I will. I will also do that.
In my game, You assemble the world like a giant.
I guess we could say in my game. We could start with in my game. Let's see what Verinet does. My game's launch. He found a crazy bug. Adding an impossible boss. Let's see. Do you have channels? They mainly play TD games. Are from Brazil. I don't have many Brazilian channels. No, I have one so far.
I think I messed up. So I only have 3 weeks to finish my game and...
So he started without any music, by the way. That was his intro. Look.
I think I messed up.
And then the music starts now.
So I only have 3 weeks to finish my game, and this was the plan. Create a boss fight.
That's a free song on the internet. Okay, so in my game, that's how he started. Giant jigsaw puzzle. And then let's look at this guy. A more successful short. Let's take the most successful short. Let's do popular. 1.6 million. That's the most successful. And they always have the same thumbnail, by the way. You can do that too. Let's see.
I was blackmailed into doing this. I was working on a very important...
He also starts without music, by the way. You notice that?
I was blackmailed into doing this. I was working on a...
Seems to be a common way, but he's doing this on every short. Let's see. Let's take a short that is not so popular. That is a bit old. Like 30k. Right? Another blackmail shot. So basically you repeated the same thing. Okay. Let's test.
I'm blackmailed, flipping his hard devs into doing this community voice line challenge.
Kind of shitty intro. Too much, too fast.
While we were expecting a few...
Okay, that sucks. That one's really bad. Holy shit. Spend so much time on editing.
You, yes you. Would you like to be one of the first people to test our early access version of...
Okay. I know how to start my short. I know how to start by looking at these shots. How would you start your short now when you're talking? You know, guys, maybe you can, you know, chime in a little bit. I already know what I'm gonna say. We are making a short about a problem in my game that is apparent when, especially when playing endless mode, people are stacking together units in one place called devblog. And I'm making a short describing how I fixed the problem. That's the idea. So how would you start the short? And what I mean by how would you start the short is what would you say? What are the words that you would say on how you start it? My game is broken. I almost quit. Here's how I jump between 3 graphics APIs, but you're not even listening to the question, Mr. Lolboy. I nearly died while fixing this problem. My Twitch chat calls me a clown. You guys. My wife almost left me. Okay, guys, you're fucking stupid. Comes. Okay, wait. Okay. My wife asked me to come home. Join my Telegram chat. No, the intro is simple. Here are 3 variations. This is what is called not a hook, but it's something like a hook. I think it's a hook, but I think they call it differently. Let me see. I must have written that down somewhere. Maybe not. It's already gone. It's already gone. So I don't know what this is called, but this is called something like a hook. And basically, what is the problem? And then you describe the problem, you give a solution and a call to action at the end. Custom engine will be a different short, Nirishka. That's the problem that many people do. They try to put too much information. We are focusing on one single thing here, which is gameplay. Emphasizing that I made an engine could be an entirely new short, and that's a good idea, actually. I'll put it here. Engine versus from scratch. Time wasted. No gameplay. Learning. Like a simple thing right now. So I remember that. And so the reason, and so I wrote three things down because I realized something when I wrote these sentences or these starts here. My game has a problem. My game is not really needed because you are showing the game. That's why the short, at least from Verinet here, starts with
I think I messed up.
I think I messed up.
So I only have 3 weeks to finish my game.
Now he talks about the game. So he makes this as short as possible. I could say, I think I have a problem. Because actually that's what I think. So that could be the last iteration of the same sentence. You see how long you could spend on this? But it's kind of important. I am in trouble. So yeah, anyways, that's the start. I wanted to do that. My wife asked me to come home and I'm exhausted anyways. I'll keep this. Let me send you over to T2. Right. That's cringe. That's not cringe. Guys, I appreciate you joining. Hope you had fun today. And I really appreciate you guys watching on Kick, watching on YouTube or on Twitch. Thank you so much for the incredible support. And I do understand that, you know, the marketing stuff, it is boring. I get it. We have to get through it. I'll try to do it more off stream so that it's not always the same and boring stuff. Because I also do mess up a lot when I'm streaming and I'm not paying much attention. But in any case, I appreciate you guys joining and hopefully you had fun today. Maybe you learned something, maybe you didn't. And yeah, we'll continue tomorrow. 18 days, guys, 18 days. Let's hope the capsule is ready tomorrow so I can share it with you, okay? I will see you, my brothers. See you guys. Have a wonderful evening. I need to hurry up now to my wife. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Peace. And say hi to T2 on YouTube. I'll see you all tomorrow, ladies and gentlemen. Peace.